What's up, guys? So I wanted to make another video of me installing this drive shaft. My battery died on my phone and I had to get this thing done quickly. It's pretty simple. I basically lay the drive shaft underneath the car. This is the very back. I put that up and I started all 4 bolts. I put blue thread locker on them. I snugged them all up. Okay. I then came and I set these up there. I didn't snug them down, I just put the nuts on them, pushed it up in there. So you guys know when you take it apart, there's a bushing and 2 washers behind, or the top. And then right there is another washer, a bushing, another washer, and then that nut. That's how it goes on both sides. The new one I got was from Dorman off Amazon, and it did not include any of that kit. So something to think about before you do this is buy the kit for the center bearing with the new bushings and nut and the washers, because mine are all pretty crappy, but I don't really care, so whatever. And then I did that last. Now I had to put my car in neutral and spin that yoke on the PTU. It's kind of hard to do, but I spun it, lined it up. I had to pull out the part of the drive shaft. The yoke on the drive shaft itself was about 1.5 inches away from the yoke on the transfer case, or the PTU. So I had to muscle it and pull it out to be able to get to line up, and I started all 4 bolts blue Loctite, and I impacted those down, then the center bearing nuts, and then I went to the back, and so now she's all done. So sorry I couldn't get the whole video of me putting it in. It was pretty self-explanatory though, getting it out. You know, I use my Milwaukee M18 drive and my 1/2-inch drive impacts with various extensions, and those are all 13s for all the yokes, yoke bolts, and the 2 nuts on the right here are both 15s. So, you know, I live in Wisconsin where it's rustier than all hell up here, so everything is nice and rusty underneath this car and stuff like that. But like, share, subscribe. You know, let me comments if you want to know more. I got 8 vehicles, so I'm going to do some reviews on all of them, some videos. But this is a 2008 Ford Edge. If you guys want more videos on this car, or you have a question about this thing, let me know. I'd love to answer them for you. So, thanks. Take care, guys. Bye.